Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We're going to learn our new letter. Um, it's the letter O. O. This is the letter O, capital O, lowercase o. All right, so our story to help us remember the letter sound for the letter O is our ostrich friend. We have an ostrich friend. And he had to go to the doctor because he had a sore throat. And the doctor said, say, ah. And so O says, ah, ah. All right, some things that start with the ah sound are ostrich, otter, octopus, and octagon. Ah. Right, this is the way that we write the letter O. Big circle. Lowercase is a little circle under the dotted line. Big circle. Little circle under the dotted line. O says ah, ah, ah. Bye, friends.